Boulder City traffic, Bonanza 46 Foxtrot, 10 miles southwest over the dry lake bed. We're now going to enter right traffic, runway 9er, Boulder City.
Maverick 17's right base, the final, runway 9, Boulder City. Boulder City traffic, helicopter Maverick 17, clear runway 9, rebuild as a taxiway. Boulder.
Autopilot flight director, yaw damper off. Boulder City traffic, Bonanza 46 Foxtrot, 5 miles south of the airport, planning right traffic, runway 9, Boulder City. Checks approach flaps. Speed checks, gear coming down. Taxi light on. 3 green. Boulder City traffic, Bonanza 46 Foxtrot, 2.5 miles out on the 45, right traffic, runway 9, full stop, Boulder City. Here's our pattern altitude. Approach flaps, 3 green. Mixtures rich, props at 25. Boulder City traffic, Bonanza 46 Foxtrot, turning right downwind, runway 9, full stop, Boulder City.
And Bonanza traffic at Boulder City Airport, aircraft being towed, got you in sight.
Yeah, I'll just roll to the end at runway 9. Boulder City traffic, Bonanza 46 Foxtrot, turning right base, runway 9, full stop, Boulder City. 3 green, approach flaps, mixtures rich, prop to come. Final's clear. Runway's clear, helicopter in the run-up box. Boulder City, Bonanza 46 Foxtrot, turning final, runway 9, full stop, Boulder City. We'll just leave approach flaps for this. Props forward, 3 green. Little fast. Boulder City traffic, Bonanza 46 Foxtrot's clearing runway 9er, northbound on Alpha, Boulder City.